you'll find lots of fun.
Soft blue waves, the morning sun, Dolly Dolphin's day's begun. Flip, flip, shiny fin, swim, swim, swimming, dive right in. Hello, sea, she clicks and squeaks, finding friends she gently seeks. Swim, swim, little dolphin, swim with me, through the sparkly, splashy sea. Tom and Giggle kick their feet, Dolly, Splashy, friends to meet. Swim, swim, little dolphin, wild and free, in the deep blue, you and me. Who is that? A happy sound, Tonda splashing all around, waving hands and tiny toes, where the warm sea current flows. Dolly swims a circle round, making happy clicking sounds. Come play, she seems to say, let's have fun this sunny day. Swim with me, through the sparkly, splashy sea. Tom and Giggle kick their feet, Dolly, Splashy, friends to meet. Swim, swim, little dolphin, wild and free, in the deep blue, you and me. Down they go a bubble trail, past a crab beside his pail. An octopus waves 8 arms high, a sea star winks a twinkly eye. Gentle turtle swims so slow, have a ride, says Dolly, go. Wiggle, waggle, swoop and glide on the turtle's bumpy ride. Swim, swim, little dolphin, swim with me, through the sparkly, splashy sea. Tom and Giggle kick their feet, Dolly, Splashy, friends to meet. Swim, swim, little dolphin, wild and free, in the deep blue, you and me. Sun sinks low, a golden gleam, ending this adventure dream. Dolly nudges soft and sweet, time for snacks and tiny feet. Bye bye, Dolly, wave the friends, till the dolphin fun begins again. Flip, flip, flipper, shiny fin, swim, swim, swimming home again. Swim, swim, little dolphin, swim with me, through the sleepy, gentle sea. Toddle, yawn and rub their eyes underneath the starlit sky.